Hey there, are you struggling with a pesky glitch in Monopoly Go that's affecting your gameplay? You're not alone. Today we're going to dive into how to fix the Monopoly Go glitch so you can get back playing smoothly and enjoying your game to the fullest. Whether you're experiencing crashes, freezes, or other annoying issues, these steps can help resolve the problem. Steps to fix Monopoly Go glitch. Step 1. Restart your device. The first step to resolving many app-related glitches is to simply restart your device. This can clear temporary bugs and refresh the operating system, potentially resolving the Monopoly Go glitch. To do this, power off your smartphone or tablet completely. Wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on. Once your device is restarted, open Monopoly Go to check if the issue persists. Step 2. Check for app updates. App developers regularly release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. To resolve the Monopoly Go glitch, make sure you have the latest version of the app installed. Visit your app store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and check for any available updates for Monopoly Go. If an update is available, download and install it immediately. Updates often bring bug fixes that can directly eliminate the issues you're experiencing. Step 3. Clear app cache. For Android, if you're using an Android device, clearing the app cache can help fix various glitches. To do this, go to your device's setting, navigate to Apps, find Monopoly Go, and select Storage. From there, tap on Clear Cache. This process removes temporary files that might be causing the glitch without affecting your game progress. Open Monopoly Go again to see if this step has resolved the glitch. Step 4. Reinstall Monopoly Go. If the glitch persists despite trying the above step, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Monopoly Go. Simply delete the app from your device, go to your app store, and download it again. Reinstalling the app can help fix issues related to corrupt files or incomplete download. Before doing this, ensure your game progress is backed up, possibly linked by your social media account or game center to avoid losing any data. Step 5. Check your internet connection. Monopoly Go often requires an internet connection to function correctly. Ensure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and that you don't have any connectivity issues. A weak or intermittent internet connection might be causing the Monopoly Go glitch. If you're experiencing poor connectivity, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to see if that helps. Dealing with glitches can be frustrating, but following these steps on how to fix the Monopoly Go glitch can get you back to enjoying the game seamlessly. Remember to start with simpler solutions such as restarting your device and updating the app before moving to more time-consuming options like reinstalling. These steps not only help resolve existing glitches, but can also prevent future issues from arising. Enjoy your game and may the dice roll in your favor.